7 Amazing Health Benefits of Thyme. Thyme, with its gentle fragrance and unique herbal properties, is not only an aromatic plant but also a treasure trove of diverse health benefits. In the world of herbal medicine, thyme has long been a source of inspiration for improving both mood and physical health. Some of the significant benefits that thyme offers include its ability to reduce stress and even support bone and eye health. In this video, we will explore some of the amazing benefits of thyme for healthcare and improving quality of life. 1. Reduce stress and anxiety. The unique aroma of thyme has long been used in aromatherapy and is in fact a natural remedy for stress and anxiety. A significant characteristic of thyme is its ability to promote relaxation. Its gentle and pleasant aroma has a positive effect on the nervous system and creates a calm space, helping you feel relaxed and comfortable. This relaxation can help reduce stress and anxiety, especially after a stressful day at work or in pressure situations. The scent of thyme also has a positive effect on mood. It has the ability to improve your mood and help you feel more optimistic. This can help you create better sleep conditions, reduce insomnia, and create the right environment for deeper and more peaceful sleep. 2. Pain relief. Thyme essential oil not only brings mental benefits but also has a positive impact on physical health, especially in reducing pain and improving muscle and joint condition. Thyme essential oil is often used to help relieve muscle and joint pain. When using this essential oil directly on the painful area or lightly massage, it can help reduce muscle tension and swelling. It also helps relieve headaches and reduce stress. Thyme also has powerful anti-inflammatory properties, helping to reduce inflammation in the damaged area. This is important during recovery from injury or when pain is caused by inflammation. Furthermore, it has the ability to increase blood circulation, helping to provide nutrients and oxygen to the painful area, helping the healing process faster. 3. Supports digestion. Thyme, with its soothing essential oils and unique herbal properties, also has the ability to aid digestion and help relieve unpleasant symptoms such as nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. One of the ways thyme can aid digestion is through its effects on the nervous system. This gentle fragrance has the ability to soothe stress and anxiety, factors that can cause digestive disorders. When mood improves and stress is reduced, people tend to experience better digestion and do not experience unpleasant symptoms such as nausea. Thyme also has anti-inflammatory properties, and inflammation can cause many digestive problems. Inflammatory conditions in the digestive system can lead to nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Thyme has the ability to reduce inflammation, help soothe the lining of the stomach and intestines, thereby reducing unpleasant symptoms. 4. Respiratory support. When you breathe in the scent of thyme, it has the ability to clear the respiratory tract, helping to reduce congestion and swelling in the nose, throat, and lungs. This is important in reducing symptoms of sore throat, cough, and shortness of breath that are common in colds or allergies. The scent of thyme can soothe mucous membranes, helping you breathe easier. In addition, thyme also has strong anti-inflammatory properties, helping to reduce inflammation in the respiratory tract. This can help relieve symptoms such as sore throat, throat swelling, and cough. Using thyme in a steam or diffuser can soothe and relieve discomfort when you have a sore throat or cold. 5. Keep bones healthy. Thyme provides a range of important nutrients that play a special role in maintaining bone health. Thyme is a rich source of vitamin K, iron, calcium, and manganese. Vitamin K is an important nutrient in regulating blood clotting and is especially important for building and maintaining healthy bones. It helps stimulate the absorption of calcium into bones, improving their hardness and flexibility. Iron is an important component of red blood cells, which carry oxygen from the lungs to cells in the bones. Calcium is a core element for bone growth and development, while manganese helps strengthen bones and reduce the risk of bone disorders. These minerals and nutrients in thyme have the ability to promote proper bone growth and maintain their strength. An adequate supply of these nutrients is important in reducing the risk of bone disorders, including osteoporosis, and maintaining bone health throughout life. 6. Improve eyesight. Thyme oil is a valuable source of vitamin A nutrient that cannot be overlooked in maintaining vision and eye health. Vitamin A is a fat-soluble vitamin and a powerful antioxidant. Vitamin A plays an important role in promoting and maintaining the health of mucous membranes and skin around the eyes. The mucous membrane is an important part of the eye's optical system, helping to filter light and produce clear images on the retina. This means that an adequate supply of vitamin A from thyme oil can help maintain strong mucous membranes, ensuring that your eyes are able to see clearly and have better vision. 7. Promotes hair growth. Thyme plays a significant role in promoting hair growth by creating the right environment for hair growth. The way thyme works is through improving blood circulation to the scalp. When you use products containing thyme on your scalp, it has the ability to facilitate the delivery of essential nutrients to the scalp cells. This includes increasing the supply of oxygen and nutrients to the pores and skin cells, which helps stimulate hair growth. Thyme also has anti-inflammatory properties, which help soothe the scalp and stop inflammation that can cause clogged pores and hair loss. Thyme plays an important role in providing us with natural and safe ways to care for our health and create a more balanced life. If you find the video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to update more interesting information from our YouTube channel.